Chinese not good.
Chinese not good. Why?
Corona. No COVID, Corona not.
Which tourists you don't like from which country?
Iran people tell me how much?
How much?
You know how much?
Yeah.
10,000. Iran people 100.
ये तो अच्छी लगेगी।
I have a cap.
नहीं मैडम के लिए फोटोग्राफी में बहुत बढ़िया लगेगा।
You take my cap and you give this to me. Yeah, exchange.
क्या काम आएगा आपको?
Take this one and you give me that one. Exchange.
Really?
Yes. This is a good bread.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Yes.
No, I'm not sure.
You are joking, eh?
Yeah, I'm fresh.
I understand. But this is good, madam.
How much is that?
I was selling 150. Give you. Okay. Try 100 rupees.
It's okay.
Sir, this is traditional.
I wanted to give you my cap, but
Have a good day.
thank you. Once we reach.
My friend.
Hello, how are you?
And fine.
What do you sell? Ice cream.
Yeah.
Sir, I will tell you something about the palace.
Yeah, tell me, are you a guide?
Yes, I am a tour guide.
Okay.
Sir, you go by jeep safari because when you go inside
Yeah.
the whole palace, you can visit by walk.
Jeep safari is 500 rupees per
Yeah,
hour.
that's
Up
so
and
much.
down, go and back.
And then we'll just say that's too
It's
much.
just 1.5 hour waiting.
It's not shared, right? It's not shared.
It's my brother.
But it's not shared.
No problem.
Is it shared? Shared or not?
Shared, yeah.
Shared means private.
No private, only taxi.
No. Other people won't come here, right?
No,
only two.
no people, only two.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you. So this is the jeep.
For the home guide only.
So we'll take the ride up to the hill.
From the museum. No more charge. Only 200 rupees. Only 200.
And now we'll take a ride up to the hill towards
Take
that
guide is a
fort.
benefit for you.
Thank you.
I have lot of thank you.
Okay, washroom. All right. What's your name?
Shakil Ahmed.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
How far is the fort? How long does it take to reach the fort?
There are a production mall. World
Wait.
largest, third number,
Okay.
biggest around.
Biggest what?
First, Great China Wall.
Okay.
Second, Kumbhalgarh Fort,
Okay.
32 kilometers around Safety.
So this is the third
third.
largest. So he's saying that this is the third after Great Wall of China, and there's another one. I'm not sure what is.
Second, Kumbhalgarh,
Kumbhalgarh, right? Okay.
32 kilometers.
How long is this?
12 and 12 half kilometers something.
12.5 kilometers. Okay, so that it sort of looks like like a Great Wall of China. Okay. No guide, thank you. He's my guide. Oh, he's just stopping in the middle of the road.
1,000-year-old this village.
Okay. So he's saying that this is a 1,000 years old village, and I do not really see any old. What out here? There are no. I don't see the houses are that old. It's pretty new.
This one,
Yeah,
electricity board.
but this is not 1,000 years old.
1,000-year-old is this village.
This village,
Village.
where the houses, 1,000 years old
House
houses.
says English guide.
Hey, how are you?
500 rupees.
We have a guide.
Guide to visit the
No, we already have a guide.
And palace was divided into 4 sections. Without guide, you can't understand the palace properly.
No, thanks.
Why, sir? If you hire a guide, that will be good for
Let's go. Thank you.
and me also.
It will be good for both of us. I don't know how. So you said that this is 1,000 years old village, but where are the 1,000 years old houses?
से कुछ मकान हवेली आएंगी, मैं हवेली दिखाता हूँ आपको.
Years old.
First
So
आपको
he
washroom लेके
told.
चलूँ.
Please.
On the way, we just stop at this place just to take a break. How many customers do you get every day?
Off season,
Yeah.
only one.
One. Okay.
Season 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Now how much? How many you are getting? Like 2, 3 now?
2, 3.
Customers from which country are your favorite?
All countries.
All countries. Which
All
is your
countries.
favorite?
Favorite
Favorite
Spanish.
country?
Spanish सबसे
Spain.
ज़्यादा.
Spain.
Spain.
So you like people from Spain?
Every मतलब all of world.
World, yeah.
My favorite.
You're very smart. One favorite.
No favorite.
No favorite. Oh, very smart.
Every favorite.
Not even India.
India तो first. My,
First. Okay.
My heart.
Your heart. So we are done now. We are just moving forward with the tour. Now we are starting back again. there's like a communication gap. So my Hindi is not that great and his English is not that great. So I asked him to take us to a place where normal tourists wouldn't go, something interesting. So I'm not sure where he's taking us to, but let's find out. So
पैलेस के लिए गाइड नहीं?
no thanks.
बिना गाइड के
No,
समझ
thanks.
नहीं आएगा.
On the way you could find people asking you if you want guide, and there are like few cows blocking our way.
नहीं मुझे भी आया था. I was wondering.
Did you have lunch?
लंच
You eat? Did you eat lunch?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Thank you.
At least he's doing better than me. I haven't eaten anything except for a few.
देखो.
But
मैं अभी इधर
for a
आ
few
गई हूँ,
peanuts.
ना last minute.
Oh, this place seems old. This is the 1,000 years.
1,000 years.
So he's saying that this
Haveli.
Haveli is 1,000 years old, and the roads are really narrow. Making our way up to the fort or wherever he's taking us to, because I'm not sure what he said. I mean, let's just go with the flow. He's taking us somewhere.
Turn left.
Okay, what's this?
Step well.
Stepwell. What does it mean?
Means drink purpose.
What's that?
Drinking.
Drinking. Oh.
The water.
Okay.
This is the step well. Here, our king, he reserved the water that time.
Oh, अच्छा.
Okay. So like he used to drink water here before.
No.
Then?
Actually,
Reserve water.
he stored the water here.
Here. Okay. So it looks something like this. This is so deep.
Yeah, it's so deep.
The water is still there.
Still there. Still
How old is this place?
400 years.
So he's saying this place is 400 years old, and the kings back in the day used to like reserve their water, store their water in one of these pond. Is still 15 meters deep.
Water problem. That's why our king he
Yeah.
made like this step well with the steps.
Yeah. Why do I see steps in a
Because we have water here in Rajasthan, we have very deep water level.
Okay.
So that's why in summertime, in normal wells, people had problem to get water.
So they will just walk down the steps and
walk down with the steps, and then they can use water easily.
so
That's why-
that means the level of the water keeps fluctuating,
Yes,
like
yes,
sometimes
yes.
high,
When-
sometimes low.
Yes. When the water level of this area come up, then
Yeah.
then automatically the water also come up.
Okay.
My name is Ankur.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you. So we'll move on to the next destination, wherever he takes us to. Okay, he's waiting for us here. Cleaning the jeep. Okay, let's move ahead.
Yes.
Now we are heading on, and I'm not sure where we are going. So where's the next? Now where are we going?
Meera Krishna Temple.
Okay, these are some narrow roads. The moving ahead. Hello.
No.
Making our way ahead. This is like a gate. It's a very narrow street. 3 dogs just chilling. Let's see how this works.
He said I couldn't come because of the.
It's quite a steep.
मैम यहाँ पर एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना, पैलेस के अंदर शॉप्स तो बनी हुई हैं, वहाँ आपको थोड़ा संभल के रहना.
अच्छा.
पैसा
चोरी वगैरह होता है.
पैसा और टाइम इन्वेस्ट ना करें आप, क्योंकि वो सब ऐसे ही है.
अच्छा.
Okay. Scams. So he's saying that inside there are many shops. Just ask me to be careful because there are many shops that might try to scam me or rip me off. So that's the wall, and we have reached almost on top of the fort.
1 hour I'm waiting.
So here the shops are not good.
क्या नाम है
Not
भैया
good.
आपका?
शकील अहमद.
शकील है.
So he,
शकील डॉन के नाम से जानते हैं मैडम.
Shakil Don.
शकील डॉन. तो मैं किसी से पूछ सकती हूँ डॉन कहाँ है यहाँ पे?
So he just dropped us to the fort, and now he said he'll wait. He'll wait. Okay, this is the number.
400.
We're just making our way up to the fort, and see a police car. This is the huge gate,
Oh भैया.
and we are making our way inside the fort. We're finally in the fort, and I think it's up there. Yeah, if you want to take pictures, you can take pictures like that.
I give carbon umbrella.
Okay, no.
Only 200 rupees, sir. Not good, not pay. Only 200 rupees, sir. Not good, not pay. I give picture, you pay.
But my viewers don't see my face. It's like a first-person video.
Not
so-
good, not pay.
Okay.
Not good, not pay.
But
Not good, not pay, sir. Believe me.
I don't even show my face to my viewers.
Very good face, sir.
What?
No, you are not sure?
No,
No, I
no.
give print.
Paint.
Yes, I give print.
Okay. So listen,
I give print.
I don't show my face to my to my subscribers, but I don't want to take a picture and show it to you. So can you take
This is
pictures and remove my face?
I give print. This is your room.
Okay. Not right now. Maybe in a while I'll wear a mask later on like this and you take a picture.
Okay.
Thank you. Trying to make my way up to that fort. Yeah, but this guy won't let me right now. So he wants me to. You want to scam me? Yeah, scam me.
This one, yes, sell, my friend.
Yes, scam?
Yeah.
No scam.
Then sell.
Will you rip me off? How much is this?
100 rupees, sir.
Sir, this one,
How much?
1,000.
How much? How much, bhai? This one, how many piece? How many piece?
Not right now.
Okay, 5 piece, how much?
I can give you something, but I don't want this.
Pens,
No pens.
elephant, Ganesh.
Not right now.
No?
Not right now. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name? It's okay. You're a good person. Don't be scared of the camera. It's fine.
I got no problem.
He's scared because he might want to say some more price. If you're honest guy, if you're not saying bad price, that's okay. Don't be scared, right? Don't be scared of the camera. If you're doing something good, you don't have to be scared. But if you're bad, then you be scared. But if you're nice, friendly, don't be scared of the camera. So how long you have been selling all this?
Yeah, May.
Yeah.
20.
Which is your favorite tourist? Like from which country?
No. Japan.
Japan. So Japan is your favorite country to.
Japanese people give me lot of money.
Lot of money. So you like that? What about you?
He's asking us selfie.
What about you?
What?
What about which is your favorite tourist from which country? He said he's Japan. What about you?
No, same countries. I give you selling, interest. It's good.
Same.
Yeah.
For you, it's Japan because they give you a lot of money. What about
Japan,
you?
China.
You're selling. What about you?
Lot of money in Japan.
Japan. And what about you?
Yes.
Spain.
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 No Chinese.
No Chinese.
Chinese
I mean-
people no come here.
No come here. Okay.
And
So.
this- बोल है
Which is your least favorite? Which tourist you don't like from which
ये
country?
आप जाओ ना यार हम तो बात कर रहे हैं हमारा धंधा है आप जाओ ना, आप
Iran.
Iran you don't like? Why they give less money? They give no money.
It's not good.
Chinese not good. Why?
Corona.
No COVID, corona not.
Okay, why Irani people are not good?
Tell me. You Iran people tell me how much.
How much?
This how much?
Yeah.
10,000. Iran people 100. Where from?
बम बम बता दे बम बम जैसा कर देगा बोले जी मकुर का जो है बताओ
What's his name again? Hello.
Hello. But especially Japanese people don't care to
Spend.
make money.
They will just spend.
Yes. Okay. How
Okay.
much?
How much?
Hikura. Korewa jukko de sasayan nai.
How many languages can you speak?
I speak many languages.
Okay.
Little bit like with tourists.
How about Chinese?
Chinese also.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. Korewa ipa lupi iga.
This is what
Iga
language is
ipai.
that?
So 100 rupees.
Iga ipai.
One.
Where do you learn the language from?
Here.
Here. Talking to all the tourists.
Not me all.
Everyone knows how to speak.
Yes, everyone.
Okay.
ठीक है फिर
Alright.
मिलेंगे. You use Instagram?
YouTube.
YouTube, not Instagram.
No.
Okay.
Instagram, if you're a girl, it will be more famous. I'm a guy. Cheers.
Enjoy. Good.
Yeah, bye.